Do you know that one kid that always says Visca Barca always? They don't have even 15 UCL. Real Madrid have 36 La Liga, 15 UCL, and many more. And that guy says we have Lamine Yamal. They say Pedri is better. We saw what happened in the Santiago Bernabeu with Vinny. Junior, he can get it. Real Madrid shop. Bro, Lamine got humbled by Carvajal and Rafinha got scared by Rudiger. Nicky Nickel broke up with Lamine, ha ha ha. And in Carray's pocket is Yamal, bro. Carray's humbled Yamal 2 times. So you are Real Madrid or Barca fan? Comment down below and like and subscribe. By the way, if you find this person, just give him a slap. Just kidding, ignore. Bye guys, have a good day. Okay, sign.